You don't need any skills or even a camera to establish a channel like this one over here that earns $2.5 thousand 40. 1K per month by uploading YouTube clips. None of the videos on this channel were shot by the channel itself. Additionally, as you can see in this recent post, beginning in 2023, makers of YouTube Shorts will be allowed to profit from advertising. Welcome to That AI Ninja. This is the channel where we show you how to earn easy money by using the latest AI technology. Consider liking this video, subscribing, and hitting the notification button to stay informed if new and popular money-making techniques are posted. Without recording, editing, or even having to reveal your face, I'm going to walk you through the process of making thousands of dollars from YouTube clips. And I'm going to provide a top secret market and channel that has recently become popular after only being launched 5 months ago. Therefore, let's get started right now. I'd like to start by explaining how I found this particular channel. Therefore, if you click here and type #shorts into the YouTube search field, you will be taken to the short shelf. All of the recent short videos have been uploaded to the short shelf. There are 573 million videos, as you can see, and I predict that there will be more than 1 billion videos online by the end of 2024. Only 31 million channels exist as well, and sure, I am aware that that appears excessive. However, there are hundreds of millions of channels that post YouTube videos online. Therefore, this is a very tiny sum, and the game is still in its early stages. Because of this, you ought to start using your computer to generate passive income. Let's get started by doing so now. Additionally, as you can see, some of these niches are faceless, like this one right here, which is a Roblox channel. This one over here is simply demonstrating ice cream programming to someone, correct? Additionally, there are numerous additional channels like this. However, if we browse much further down, I did discover this video by Nemesis Anime Lover. This therefore says something about this specific niche. Now, I used the search term #shorts plus animate to get all of the anime short videos. You can see how well liked they are and how many views users are receiving for posting these brief movies that don't even feature their faces. Furthermore, none of the videos need to be filmed by them. They are merely anime clips. Therefore, as you can see, this one is 1.8 million. Therefore, we are aware that these are receiving tens of millions of views in a super secret market that is neither saturated nor competitive. Therefore, we may check out Nemesis Anime Lover and look at their channel to discover what exactly they are up to. As you can see, they only create little animated characters for brief videos, and they receive somewhere between 100,000 and 2.7 million views. And if we visit Social Blade, we can confirm that this person started their channel on August 21st, 2022, exactly 8 months ago, and they are already making $40,000 a month, or $480,000 million annually. And sure, this is feasible given that their video receives between 1 and 2 million views per day. As a result, many marketers are open to running ads on this channel. Now, how are we going to capitalize on this specific market? We're going to head over to TikTok as our very first action though. And when we do a search for anime, all of the anime stations will appear. Here, you may see animated theme pages that have no indication of their owner. Additionally, these pages receive hundreds of thousands or even millions of views while making a ton of money. Therefore, we're heading to Oniflexer. Okay, so we're going to grab their most popular videos, and this one right here was probably uploaded a day ago. As you can see from the 6.6 million likes some of their videos receive, we will thus click on this video. As you can see, it will play the video and bring us to this location. It's a real animated girl giving you a cup too. You'll notice a watermark right here, as you'll soon discover. Okay, so we need to remove the watermark, give the video copyright freedom, and claim it as our own. So we're going to press this share button over here, and then we're going to copy the link. We'll then head over here to this undiscovered program, download it to your PC, and remove the watermark. We're going to use this software, so let's come over here. And as you can see in the top left corner, we're going to paste the video link here before pressing the green button to bring us here, where we'll press the blue button to save the video to our computer. Now we have to very slightly alter that video to remove the copyright restrictions. Since this individual published the video, I'll demonstrate how to you. And their content is not that. This program isn't theirs, right? But how are they able to put this movie here and get away with it? They took a brief film and added some music to it. Additionally, they added some remarks. Consequently, we're going to proceed in the same manner and head over to Canva. You'll search for mobile videos, make a blank mobile video that will take you here, and then drag and drop that video from your computer into Canva at this precise location. And right now we're going to start editing this video. One thing to note is that the music in this video is protected by a copyright. How do we avoid that? So that we can still take part in generating ad income and avoid receiving a music copyright, we'll need to turn off the music in this video or use music from the YouTube Shorts library. So what we're going to do is navigate to the Elements tab, click this specific square, and then I'll bring it over here. And now we'll drag that through, okay? And so it is. We could even make it white instead of the current hue. You may press text after that. We'll put a subheading after that. And then we'll enter something. To make this writing visible, let's make it black. You could then ask, comment what's in the cup. So this cup must contain something, right? The guy, or the person right here in the video, is receiving it from the girls. We're going to drag that down here because it contains something, but no one is sure what it is. It may be tea, coffee, or something else. And what we're going to do is ask people to comment about what they believe is in the cup. So what will happen is that we'll upload this viral video, and then people will start commenting. Let's say that out of every 10 people, 5 comment. While they're commenting, the video will still be playing in the background, looping it so that you will have an average view duration of over 100% because the video played more than once. That is consistent with going viral and having a view duration of more than 100%. So that's how we go about it. We can upload this video to YouTube now that we have it in our commentary. So if someone searches for this video, they will see it, it will become viral, and it will only assist it in the short run. This is not what my clients and I do. Instead, we use long-form videos since they generate more ad money. So gentlemen, that concludes today's video. If you want to see more content like this, subscribe and like this video. This is That AI Ninja, and thanks for watching till next time.